There was a boy named Veervara. He used to work on a sea ship. During one of his sea voyages, a very fast storm destroyed his ship and scattered everything. The next morning, when Veervara regained the consciousness, he found himself on an unknown
Where have I
island.
come? Is anyone there? Is anyone there? Is anyone there?
After walking for a long distance, Veervara finally came across a city.
I found the people! Where have all the people of this place gone? I can't see anyone. Huh?
Hail the king! Hail the king!
King, but where is he? Oh no! Stop! What's happening here? And where are you taking me?
Despite the beauty of this island, the rules here are equally peculiar. According to these rules, whoever arrives, whether by accident or by traveling, he is declared the new king, while the former king is sent to a deserted island for the rest of his life.
It's strange that whoever serves as the king has to spend their life in isolation. This is very weird. By the way, who is the king here at present?
Me.
Veervara understood why the man was so sad, because it was now the turn of that elderly person to leave the palace and go to the deserted island according to the island's rules. Following the island's rules, Veervara became King Veervara from that moment. People loved him a lot because of his wisdom and kind nature. But there was one thing that troubled Veervara's mind, and that was one day someone else would come as the king, and on that day he too would have to go to the deserted island. To escape this fate, King Veervara devised a plan in his mind.
Soldiers! In the rainy season, the homes of the people living on the coast often get washed away. That's why I order you to develop some parts of the deserted island exactly like our beautiful city. There should be houses, shops, roads and all amenities.
What, the desert island? But my king, only the kings who are abandoned from here are supposed to stay there.
This is not a suggestion, it's an order.
As you wish, my king.
Following King Veervara's orders, some parts of dense jungle on the deserted island were cleared and developed. Now, the deserted island was no longer deserted. And when it wasn't deserted anymore, why would King Veervara worry about going there to stay after a new king arrived? In this way, his plan worked, and he began to rule without worry. That's when one day,
My king, my king, my king. There is news of a large ship sinking far away. Forgive me, my king, but whenever such incidents occur, someone arrives here carried by the current, which means...
This means your new king is about to arrive.
Yes, my king. And the sad part is that the sinking ship bore the flag of our enemies, whose eyes has been on our island for a long time. And according to the rules of our island, if any of their men arrive here, we are obliged to make him the king.
Upon hearing this news, the people of the island were not only worried but also deeply saddened, as they had begun to love King Veervara over time. Moreover, King Veervara had also developed love and affection for them, so he made a plan to ensure that no outsider could come and harm them.
You all will have to change your king anyway, whether you like it or not. So why not do it in such a way that you can choose whoever you want as your king?
How is that possible, Your Highness? According to the rules, only a lost and wandering person can be our king. Now, how can a lost and wandering person be of our choice?
Right now I am the king, and the king can make the rules and change them too. Not every stranger is good, and it's not wise to hand over our kingdom to a stranger or an enemy.
Yes,
The king is right.
He's right. But what can we do in this, my king?
The decision is mine, not yours. Considering the welfare of the people here, I propose this rule that you can choose a king from amongst yourselves.
But selecting a king from amongst ourselves poses the risk of bias. That's why we choose an outsider as our king.
I also have a solution for this. If that king doesn't live up to your expectations or shows any discrimination, then some key members of the kingdom will have the right to immediately remove the king.
Wow, my king, what an idea!
Your suggestion is very good. We all agree with your proposal.
Well, my king, if that's the case, then why don't you become our king forever?
No, my friend. My time to leave this place has come. Now it's your turn to choose your king.
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.